Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open Settings and confirm your device model and OS so you know which menu labels to expect. Then go straight to Camera or Sound Settings and find the recording sound or shutter beep option. Some phones list it under System Sounds. If there's no direct toggle, enable Do Not Disturb or flip the physical mute switch to silent system beeps. This prevents the recording sound immediately while keeping your microphone active for capture. Once you're in the app, open its internal settings and disable shutter sound or in-app audio prompts. Some apps provide independent toggles. If the system still enforces a beep because of region restrictions, switch the global sound profile to silent or vibrate and explicitly revoke unnecessary notification sounds for the camera app. Make a short test recording after each change to confirm silence because multiple layers, app, system, and hardware mute can interact and you want to identify which layer removed the sound. To finalize, reboot the device so system and app settings fully apply, then perform a final recording test to confirm silence. If built-in options fail, install a reputable third-party camera app that offers a shutter sound toggle, but make sure it's allowed by your OS version. Grant only necessary permissions. If the recording sound still persists, check region or firmware restrictions. Some models legally enforce beeps, so change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.